In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an instant ad for your product from a simple URL. Head to heygen.com and click on the URL to Ads tab on the left side of the screen. Simply drop your product or service URL into the listing bar. Since I don't have a physical product that I'm selling, I'm just going to use the URL for my upcoming webinar. So any URL will work. Next, click Generate Video. Here you'll want to add your company logo. Sometimes the AI doesn't get the product name correct, so just check here. And if you want to change it to something else, you can. Just confirm or add the product details underneath the product name and you're all set. You can add additional media here, which is awesome. So still images of your product or videos, anything like that will really spice up your end result. Once your uploads are shown there under media, then go ahead and click next. Here they give you an option to set your target audience. So they give you a bunch of auto-populated suggestions, and I have to say they're pretty accurate. Usually the AI does a good job of finding exactly what your product is and who the target market for that product would be. Once that's all in place, go ahead and click next. This is a really cool thing. So here the AI has come up with different categories of a script for your product or service. So you can select from one of the pre-written scripts. You can also even edit one of the pre-written scripts, which is usually what I do. I'll make it a little bit of mine and a little bit of what the AI had said. Or you can go ahead and just put in a completely custom script that you've written on your own. Once you've settled on a script, go ahead and click next. Here's where you get to choose a template. They have a bunch and they've been adding more every week, so there should be plenty to choose from. To the right of the template tab, you'll see avatar. You can select that and then you can choose which avatar you want to use. You can also select customize once you've settled on a template and an avatar. So that just gives you more control over the smaller details of the video. As you can see, we're now in the customize section. And with this, you can go through and select avatar and then make different tweaks or changes to the avatar that you've chosen. You can also tweak the script and the text and so on and so on. But you also can choose to just skip this and go with the basic, which is what I suggest when you're doing this for your first time. Down here, you can see there's also a timeline, so you can set how long or short you want things and just customize it more as if it were a video editor. But again, I would suggest just skipping over this for your first time trying it. Back in the main editor, you've now done template already, you've done avatar, and now you can select music. There's not a ton of options for music styles, and they tend to be repetitive. So you can always opt for no music, which is what I've done. If everything looks good, you can go ahead and click submit. Whoop whoop, and you're done.